Welcome to Buddhism in Modern Life. Today, we'll embark on an enriching exploration of Metta Bhavana, loving-kindness meditation, through two powerful techniques taught by the Supreme Buddha. These approaches, Mahagata Chetovimukti, expansive liberation, and Appamana Chetovimukti, limitless liberation, are profound practices that can transform your mind and bring immense peace and compassion into your life. Before diving in, remember to subscribe to our channel, where we explore timeless Buddhist wisdom for modern living. Let's journey together toward a more compassionate, meaningful life. The importance of loving kindness. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected, overwhelmed, or even angry. Loving kindness meditation offers a remedy. By cultivating metta, loving kindness, we actively transform our minds, breaking free from the chains of anger, jealousy, and hatred. This practice isn't just for monks or seasoned meditators, it's for everyone. 1. Mahagata Chetovimukti, the expansive liberation of the mind. Understanding Mahagata. The term Mahagata means expansive or vast, while Chetovimukti refers to liberation of the mind. Together, they describe a practice of expanding your loving kindness step by step, beginning with yourself and gradually encompassing all beings. Step-by-step guide to Mahagata practice. 1. Begin with yourself. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Start by cultivating loving kindness for yourself. Think, "Oh, may I be free from anger. Oh, may I be free from jealousy and hatred. Oh, may I be free from mental and physical suffering." Repeat these phrases with genuine emotion, feeling the warmth of love filling your heart. 2. Expand to the room around you. Picture the space you're in. Wish the same blessings for all beings present, seen or unseen. For instance, "Oh, may all beings in this room be free from anger. Oh, may they be free from jealousy and hatred. Oh, may they experience peace and happiness." 3. Broaden to your home, neighborhood, and beyond. Envision your home, then your neighborhood. Gradually expand your wishes to include your town, your country, and eventually, the entire earth. At each stage, pause to feel the sincerity of your wishes. Key principle. During this practice, the intention must be heartfelt. If the words feel hollow, pause and reconnect with their meaning. Loving kindness is not merely a mental exercise. It's a deeply emotional one. Why Mahagata matters. The expansiveness of this method teaches us to view ourselves as interconnected with all living beings. Imagine the ripple effect. By generating kindness within, you radiate peace outward, touching lives near and far. Let's consider Sarah, a teacher who practices Mahagata Chetovimukti daily. Initially, she struggled with resentment toward a difficult colleague. By meditating, she first cultivated compassion for herself, recognizing her own struggles. Gradually, she extended those feelings toward her colleague, imagining them free from anger and suffering. Over time, Sarah noticed her interactions became more peaceful. This ripple of kindness transformed not only her perspective but her relationships. 2. Appamana Chetovimukti, the limitless liberation of the mind. Understanding Appamana. While Mahagata focuses on expanding loving kindness to specific areas, Appamana emphasizes boundlessness. Here, we meditate on 10 directions. 1. North. 2. Northeast. 3. East. 4. Southeast. 5. South. 6. Southwest. 7. West. 8. Northwest. 9. Above. 10. Below. This method transcends boundaries, reminding us of the infinite reach of compassion. Step-by-step guide to Appamana practice. 1. Start with the northern direction. Imagine the limitless expanse of the northern sky. Think of all beings living there, known and unknown. Wish them peace and happiness. May all beings in the northern direction be free from anger. May they find joy and peace. 2. Move to the northeast, then east. Continue this process, focusing on one direction at a time. Envision each area as vast and limitless. 3. Include above and below. Finally, extend your wishes to beings above you, e.g., birds, celestial beings, and below you, e.g., subterranean creatures. Picture your loving kindness enveloping all realms. Imagine your loving kindness as a glowing sphere of light. With each direction you focus on, this sphere grows larger, encompassing more beings. Eventually, it forms a radiant globe of compassion, connecting all life, common challenges, and how to overcome them. A feeling detached. If you struggle to connect emotionally, return to yourself. Cultivate self-love before extending it outward. A distracted thoughts. Gently bring your focus back to the meditation. Use phrases like, "I am here," spreading love, to ground yourself. Through Mahagata and Appamana Chetovimukti, we've explored the transformative power of loving kindness meditation. Yet, there's more to uncover. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into the nuances of these practices, tackle real-world applications, and draw life-changing lessons from this profound tradition. Stay tuned. Your journey to limitless compassion continues. Now that we've established a solid foundation in the two methods of loving kindness meditation, Mahagata and Appamana, let's explore how to incorporate these practices into our daily lives. While the techniques are meditative in nature, their impact extends far beyond the meditation cushion. 1. Overcoming conflict through loving kindness. One of the most practical applications of Metta Bhavana is resolving conflicts. Whether it's a disagreement with a loved one, tension at work, or societal discord, loving kindness meditation can transform relationships. Consider James, a manager at a bustling company. He often clashed with his team over deadlines. Frustration brewed on both sides, creating a toxic atmosphere. By practicing Mahagata Chetovimukti, James began with himself. And may I be free from anger and frustration. And may I lead with patience and clarity. Once he felt centered, he extended these thoughts to his team. And may my team members be free from stress and misunderstanding. And may they find joy and purpose in their work. Over time, James noticed a shift, not just in himself, but in his team's attitude. Compassion dissolved resentment, and collaboration flourished. The ripple effect of loving kindness is real. By changing our inner landscape, we influence our external world. 2. Expanding empathy across boundaries. In a divided world, the limitless liberation of the mind, Appamana, is more relevant than ever. This practice teaches us to embrace all beings, regardless of race, nationality, or species, fostering a universal sense of belonging. While watching the news, notice your reactions to distressing stories. Instead of dwelling on anger or helplessness, try spreading loving kindness. And may the victims of this tragedy find peace. And may those causing harm be free from hatred and ignorance. This doesn't mean condoning harmful actions. It's about recognizing our shared humanity and responding with wisdom rather than judgment. 3. Loving kindness as a daily ritual. Integrating Metta Bhavana into everyday routines makes it easier to sustain. Here's how. In morning practice, start your day by sending loving kindness to yourself and your household. This sets a positive tone for the day ahead. But during stressful moments, pause and silently recite metta phrases to calm your mind. But before sleep, reflect on your day and extend loving kindness to anyone you encountered, including those who challenged you. Create a loving kindness journal. Write down the people or situations you've focused on in your meditation. Over time, you'll notice patterns of growth and transformation. The science behind loving kindness meditation. Modern research supports what the Buddha taught centuries ago. Loving kindness meditation has profound benefits for mental and physical health. Studies show 1. Reduce stress and anxiety. Loving kindness meditation decreases cortisol levels, helping you feel calmer and more balanced. 2. Enhanced empathy. Regular practice activates brain areas associated with compassion, strengthening your ability to connect with others. 3. Improved physical health. It lowers blood pressure, boosts immunity, and even slows aging by reducing chronic inflammation. Maria, a healthcare worker, faced immense burnout during the pandemic. She turned to loving kindness meditation as a last resort. By focusing on the limitless liberation of the mind, she gradually felt more resilient and compassionate. It saved my career, she shared. 4. Addressing common misconceptions. Some may view loving kindness meditation as overly idealistic or passive. However, true true Metta Bhavana requires courage and action. A misconception: loving kindness means tolerating harmful behavior. Reality: while Metta encourages understanding, it doesn't mean ignoring injustice. Instead, it helps us respond to challenges with clarity and compassion. A misconception: this practice is too difficult for beginners. Reality: start small. Even 5 minutes of sincere meditation can bring noticeable benefits, building a stronger connection to Buddhism. If you're new to Buddhist practices, loving kindness meditation is a gentle entry point. It encapsulates the essence of the Buddhist teachings: compassion, interconnectedness, and liberation. For those already familiar with Buddhism, this meditation deepens your understanding of core principles like the 4 Brahma-viharas, divine abodes. 1. Metta, loving kindness, wishing happiness for all beings. 2. Karuna, compassion, relieving the suffering of others. 3. Mudita, sympathetic joy, celebrating others' happiness. 4. Upekkha, equanimity, remaining balanced amid life's ups and downs. By practicing loving kindness, you naturally cultivate the other Brahma-viharas, creating a holistic approach to spiritual growth. 5. The profound lessons of loving kindness. At its core, loving kindness meditation teaches us 2 transformative lessons. 1. Interconnectedness. We are not isolated beings. Our thoughts, words, and actions ripple through the world, affecting countless lives. 2. The power of intention. Sincere intentions shape reality. By wishing others well, we rewire our minds and create a more harmonious existence. Close your eyes and imagine a small light glowing in your heart. With each breath, this light grows brighter and larger, expanding to encompass your room, your home, your community, and eventually the entire world. Picture this radiant globe of compassion illuminating every corner of existence. Now, take a deep breath and feel the peace you've created, both within yourself and for others. Through the 2 methods of loving kindness meditation, Mahagata and Appamana, we've explored the boundless potential of compassion. These practices are more than techniques. They are gateways to a life filled with peace, joy, and purpose. As you embark on this journey, remember, start small, but be consistent. Approach meditation with sincerity and an open heart. Share your experiences with others to inspire collective growth. We invite you to make loving kindness a part of your daily life. Together, let's build a world where compassion knows no bounds. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Buddhism in Modern Life, for more insights and practical tips. Your support helps us share the Buddha's timeless teachings with a modern audience. Thank you for joining us. May you be free from anger, may you be happy, and may your life be filled with love and kindness. Namo Buddhaya.